참으로 정말 참지다시들래요. 오늘 지난 내 달에 세계 뉴독터라 계제시로 시스 아니 계신이 뭐 도와시래. 계제 기를 부시는 민요프도 고래 아니 세당 샤버시지. 더 and also I want to say thank you all for coming and taking your time out of your busy schedule for an hour or so to be with us. And also I want to acknowledge not only the beings who are here, but also the formless beings who might be wandering around with us. So I want to acknowledge that as well. And the first song that I'm going to do is I'm just going to improvise. This morning I had a beautiful little time, about like 30 seconds of time with His Holiness. So that blessing, when I was looking at him, I was also looking at him through my parents' eyes as well. So I'll do this little, whatever comes up, I'll do this as for an offering for all those who have gone beyond. Last night I dreamt that I was a butterfly fleeting and fluttering about freely. But now I don't know if it was I who dreamt that I was a butterfly, or if I am the butterfly dreaming that I'm a human singing for you guys. And how wonderful it is to be alive, walking this earth, while His Holiness the Dalai Lama is with us right here. Kave medo, lala bhakti, ke khana sos. you will enjoy it. And after that, I'm around and we can talk about the power of music individually rather than. I know you all know what the music has in its capacity, spiritually, individually, and in all sorts of forms.